PPP update. Is PPP opening back up? We're also going to be talking about PPP and taxes. A lot of people have been getting a little confused as far as do you have to pay taxes on the PPP loan? What exactly is going on? So as always, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. I will be providing this information to you guys each and every day. And I do got a few playlists on my channel that really breaks down the PPP loan list, and we break down the PPP fraud list as well. So we got a few playlists on my channel, so guys, feel free to check those playlists out. Now, I do want to let you guys know, as of right now, a lot of people are still getting funded, which is crazy. You know, people are still getting funded regarding this PPP loan. Now, I do want to let you guys know as well that on my previous video we talked about, you know, using the right documents and which documents are actually needed. So let's get right to this. That way people know if you got to pay taxes or not. But yeah, let's get right to this. This was a screenshot, and this was a member of my channel. They began to say confused about what taxes I don't have to pay on PPP loan funds. Now, if you're in a situation, let me know in the comment section. What help do you guys have? Do you guys have to pay? Did you guys pay taxes on your PPP loan? And what exactly is going on? Let me know in the comment section. And they also begin to say, I use PPP funds to pay for employee wages myself. I am the sole member of an S Corp. I then proceeded to submit Form 941 and pay Medicare, SS, and federal taxes on these wages paid. Was that right, or did I not need to claim these wages paid? I read that you don't have to pay taxes on PPP funds. Thank you. Now, let's get right to this, you know, because a lot of people are saying they don't have to pay taxes. They do have to pay taxes. What exactly is going on? What's true? What's false? So, of course, I will break this down. I'm going to get into some of these comments first, and then I'll go ahead and add my insight on this. Now, somebody began to say, you don't. It was a loan that so happened to be forgiven, not taxable income. So, you have to have your PPP loan forgiven. So, make sure that is the case, you know, when you're doing this. Make sure your PPP loan is forgiven. I got tons of videos on my channel discussing the PPP loan, getting it forgiven, how to get it forgiven, who to contact, all that good stuff. So hopefully you guys go to my channel, you guys will actually see that, and it's one way you guys can actually get it forgiven, because you don't want to go out there and you don't want to have to pay for a loan that you can get forgiven. You know, as we talked about before as well, if you got the loan, make sure you're using all accurate information. Use your information. Don't go out using somebody else's information when it comes to the PPP loan. Make sure you're using your information. Make sure it's all accurate and 110% legit as always. Now, let's get into more of these comments where somebody began to say, no extra taxes due for PPP forgiven loans, not considered to be income, which is another very true. You know, a lot of stuff is not considered to be income, right? It's a loan, and it's from the government, so you don't have to pay taxes on that loan. Somebody said you will not need to pay taxes on the forgiveness, however will owe the self-employment taxes that you covered via the 941. No worries, it will all true up on your tax return at the end of the year, which is true as well. So keep that in mind as well. Like, it will all, you know, you'll see it in the tax time. So this is actually a good question. It's a good question because a lot of people, like I said, a lot of people were really thinking that they had to pay for this, pay taxes on a loan, even though, you know, it's a loan, right? Somebody said, so I did pay the correct taxes for the payroll when I submitted the 941. Sorry, I'm confused as to what taxes I pay when using PPP loan funds. So you're saying that I do not pay taxes for the overall PPP loan funds received. However, I do pay employer portion of taxes, Social Security, you know, federal, Medicare, on the money used for employee payroll. So, you know, and if you guys got further questions, you know, let's just keep it transparent. If you guys really got more questions, contact the lender, contact these banks, contact somebody you get in contact with, and double check. Because if you're questioning it, you don't want to go into anything questioning it, because at the end of the day, it's your life. You don't want to have to pay for anything, or you don't have to pay for anything that you didn't have to pay for. Like I said, it's forgiven. But some people, they make that payment, and or they're trying to find ways to pay it. So it's for your best interest to find who you talk to. Make sure at the end of the day, they know, what exactly is going on, how much you got to pay, and all that good stuff as well. Now, let me know in the comment section where you guys stand as far as the PPP loan. I know tons and tons of people have been getting funded, and tons of people have been getting it forgiven. So as of right now, they are still working on that. And like I said, it's oddly, we just did a video, a last video, where somebody was actually funded. So it's just one of those things where people are getting funded, some people aren't getting funded. So it's tough. But every situation is different. And the best thing you can do is try to get in contact with somebody on the other end, because and they can give you a better understanding on exactly what's going on. As always, like I said, I got tons of more videos on my channel. Feel free to tune in on those. Watch those playlists as well. Now, I had my Instagram up earlier. I know a lot of you guys were asking me questions on my Instagram, so feel free to let me know in the comment section, or my DM. Let me know if you guys got questions. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. As always, stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. PPP update, PPP loan draw, second draw. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you're new to the channel, of course, you guys gotta like and subscribe. I will be bringing the latest and greatest information to you guys. As always, I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about this PPP loan. What exactly is going on? Is there anything that you guys can do? Is it ended? Is it opening back up? There are reports, I will let you guys know, but there are reports of people getting funded. Yes, as of right now, people are getting funded, and in the same token, people have been getting denied. So it really all depends. I got a screenshot for you guys from a member